Hey, what's up guys? It's Phone Repair Guru. So we just downloaded iOS 14.3 Beta 3, and I just wanted to go over some of the newer features and some things you'd probably like to try. So the first thing I'd like to highlight is Apple Pro RAW, which allows you to take pictures in the RAW format, which is quite similar to DSLRs. As we go iPhone to iPhone, Apple keeps inquiring more and more DSLR-like features. This feature is only available for the iPhone 12 series and allows you to basically have more control over how you take your pictures. I'm currently using an iPhone X, so unfortunately I can't show you those features. Although, if you don't edit photos or aren't a professional photographer, they probably won't mean a whole lot to you. This next feature is really exciting to me, and I haven't heard a lot of other YouTubers talk about it. It's the fact that Shortcuts no longer requires you to go to Shortcuts first. So this is a test shortcut app that I've created, and I just want to show you guys how this works now. See, it does not go to the Shortcuts app anymore. I did, however, attempt to try this with one of the themes you can download. I downloaded it using an app called Moloko. It has a bunch of themes that you can install, but for some weird reason, it does still take you to Shortcuts. I'm not too sure why, but I'm assuming on the official release of iOS 14.3, this will no longer be a problem. Another really exciting feature with the release of iOS 14.3 Beta 3 is the use of dynamic wallpapers. Now what that means basically is that with a push of a button or at a certain time, I can change the wallpaper. In the future, I'm hoping that there's an option to change the wallpaper on its own every 15 to 20 seconds, but for now, I'll take this feature over no feature at all. Another feature of iOS 14.3 Beta 3 is that you can change search engines, and they added Ecosia. I'm not too sure who uses that search engine or why it was important for them to implement it, but hey, it's better to have options. Anyway guys, that's pretty much all there was with the Beta 3 for iOS 14 Beta 3. If you're looking to get a custom charging animation like this one, or the theme I have, or a theme similar, I'll leave both links in the description. That is all for today, guys. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.